We're heading on a cruise, 4-day cruise on the Carnival Radiance. Her first time even seeing a ship. She's seen boats before, but never a cruise ship, so she's excited. Are you excited?
Oh, heck, I'm excited. I can't wait.
Alright, guys, so I didn't get her initial reaction when she first seen the ship, but she's excited. Here we go. Alright, embarkation day. You excited, Miriam?
Yes, I'm excited.
She's tripping out on how big the ship is and how small the people look. Alright.
Yep.
Let's go. Alright, Miriam, your first steps on the ship. Go, go. Woo! And here I go. We're on the ship. We're on the ship. Hi.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
So far, I'm loving it. And
She just walked in.
Yes, we just walked in.
She just walked in and she's loving it already. Yay! I wish I would have caught her initial reaction when she first seen the ship. I didn't have my camera on, I was driving. But she was just like, ah!
Yes.
I'm excited for her. Alright, so she's checking out our room. It's an interior room this time. We went whatever was less expensive. Got our TV. There I am. And of course, if you guys have seen videos of interior rooms, you guys already know that they all pretty much look the same. Alright, so we're going to leave our stuff and go grab something to eat because I am hungry.
We are hungry.
We are hungry, guys. So this is her first time trying Guy's burgers too. I'm excited to see if she likes them. I love them. That's my go-to the first day I get on the ship. Alright, first things first. Alright, guys, this is her first fun ship ever too. Cheers! Good? Very good, huh? Alright, so I'm giving her a ship tour right now, and I'm bringing her to the buffet. Hello! Yes, say hi to my camera. Do you guys have the confetti cheesecake today?
We have only caramel, salted caramel.
Salted caramel cheesecake. No confetti cheesecake today, but they have salted caramel cheesecake, which works for me. Alright, so we got the salted caramel cheesecake. They did not have the confetti cheesecake. Confetti cheesecake. I couldn't say that. I go confetti. Anyway, gotta try it out. See what it tastes like. Alright, this girl is a gym rat. She's at the gym at 4 o'clock in the morning, every morning, and this is what she's excited of. Yeah, I'll be in my room asleep. I should be here with her, but you know. Anyway, cheers you guys! Embarkation. Embarkation day. Alright, so she says this is going to be her view for 4 days. I hope you enjoy it, Miriam.
Oh, no, I'm going to try.
I hope she enjoys it, but yeah, we are in the gym. I kind of saved the best for last, but I still have so much more to show her. Yep. By the way, embarkation was super quick. Got in line, took us about 15 minutes again. I mean, there's times when I see these long lines, and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope we are not in line forever. But no, like 15 minutes and we were in. We didn't even have to go to that other little desk area. They did everything at that little table, and on board we go. So it was really cool. I'm so glad because I wanted her to have a good experience while we were checking in. So far so good, Miriam? I don't know, I'm kind of thinking we should get the drink package. Alright, alcohol's kicking in, you guys. Let's see, she brought her drinks, her Cokes or sodas or whatever she brought in her suitcase. You have them or they took them out?
Okay, I don't remember if this was that.
So I told her she could bring a 12-pack of sodas, but they're there? Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, I told her bring them out with you, just like the bottles of wine, but she stuck them in her suitcase, and there you go. There they are. Don't shake them. Alright, we're going to decorate our room now. and unpacked. So I'm doing something new this time. I brought some little lights because we're in an interior room, and if it gets too dark in here, we could just plug these in. And I have Miriam putting them out for me. Oh my gosh. Yep, that alcohol's kicking in. So we're just doing that just to make it look cute. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the lights off, you guys. We could look at the stars when we're laying in bed, because since we don't have a balcony, we can't go outside and look at the stars. So cute. I like it. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to give you guys another little tip that I just thought about, and I thought it would be a good idea. So you know how you get up at night and the bathroom's dark if you don't want to turn on the light completely? This is a little sensor light right here. Got it on Amazon, and it turns off, and then when somebody walks into the room, it turns on all by itself because it's a sensor light. And it has two settings, so it could be brighter than this, or you know, like this if you want it. So it depends on how bright you want it to turn on. You could set it in the back, and it takes 3 AAA batteries. Pretty cute. And it's on right now because I'm in here, but once I get out, it'll turn off. She's becoming a professional. Nope.
No,
Nope. Yep, they might not be able to.
I think I know.
Let's see. Nope. I'm letting her do all the work so she learns.
Okay.
Yay! So I waited for the light to go off. Now I'm going to walk in the bathroom. Let's see. Yep. Turns on right away. Very nice, very nice. So we unpacked, we put all our stuff away, we decorated our room, I decorated my door. Now I'm going to take her to see the casino, the arcade, and all the little shopping stores that she could shop at. I think she's going to like it.
Your child with a disadvantage provided to them at all times.
We're waiting for the giveaway party here.
Any remaining children will be escorted.
Someone forgot her glasses. We're sitting facing the sun.
ceremony before our very own silhouette party, but I believe it's time to count down your cruise vacation from 10. So here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need all of my party people right here on the dance floor right now. Karina's way from Karina. All right, let's hear from Karina all the way from California. All right, Karina, and your name? I'm Keely. Keely, and where you from? Charlotte. All right, let's hear from Keely all the way from Charlotte, North Carolina. Yes. All right, so Karina and Keely, both of you have been entered into our first official dance competition. All right. So Karina, I need you to come on down to the middle right now, and I need you to represent California the best way you know how. DJ Scratchy, what do you got for contestant number 1, Karina? I like big sucks like you. But I need you to represent North Kakalaki the best way you know how right now. What you got for Keely, DJ Scratchy? on this dance off. If you think it's Karina, contestant number 1, make some noise. If you think it's contestant number 2, Keely, make some noise. Well, it looks like our winner of our first official dance off goes none other to contestant number 2, Keely. But on vacation, no one is actually a loser in my eyes because both of you included fun in everything you just done. So let's hear for Karina and Keely right here. Being a part of this fun, that is not awesome.
Alright, so for dinner on day 1, this is what we had. Actually, it's not what we had, it's what they had on the menu. I'll show you what we ordered in just a little bit. Alright, so dinner was delicious. Did you like it, Miriam?
I love it. It was good.
Yeah, she really enjoyed her dinner. Now we're going to go to the shops. We're going to go walk around at the shops and then maybe call it a night, only because she got up super early and I got up super early. So we just got back from dinner and we went shopping a little bit. And this is probably going to be the shortest video I've ever uploaded from Embarkation Day. I'm just exhausted and I just wasn't feeling it at all. But Miriam had a good time. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had a really good time.
Yeah, and see, she got up at 4 in the morning to go work out like a cuckoo. But 4 in the morning. Well, I used to do that too when I was, working out. But I probably should start doing that. But and then I woke up at 3:30 and I just couldn't go back to sleep anymore.
Maybe tomorrow is the day.
The day what?
For you to start going to.
Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. We'll
I'm
see.
just saying. Could be.
Yeah. But anyway, so we're just gonna head into the room and chill, relax. It is 7:27 p.m. and we're like done already. We just got done with dinner and oh my god, we was just so relaxed. That wine.
And shopping.
Yeah, she did some shopping. I haven't done any yet, so to my husband, see, you should be proud of me. I'm waiting till the end. Alrighty then, you guys. Well, I will talk to you guys tomorrow, or I will see you guys tomorrow when we're in Catalina. Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.